Okay, we've emptied the hopper, or we've just done a run through to empty the hopper. We're now going to strip the machine down for cleaning, and we just want to show you how easy this is to do. Okay, so once again, we're just not using any special tools here. And now this is the valve. And that rests there in there as holes so it doesn't get kicked around on the floor. Just put it in there properly. It's just going in both holes. Hang on. It goes in like that. There we go. Okay. As you can see, once again, it's not using any specialised tools. All the tools are with the machine.
Must have something.
A little bit of sauce in there still, but that's fine. Okay, there should be a little rod somewhere